college boys and girls. Hello moms and dads. I hope everybody is keeping well. I'm Coach Erin. I missed you guys loads, so thank you so much for joining me today. This is episode number 10. So we've got into episode number 10. How awesome is that? So I'm very excited for today's lesson. Okay, so you only need two things. As usual, you need to have your water. Okay, so keep your water very close by. Coach's is right here. And you guys need lots of energy. So first thing, we're going to walk around. Make sure there's nothing in the way. Grab your energy from around the room. Make sure you've got enough space to do the lesson. Grab that energy. Grab it. There we go. Okay. First things first, we always need to start off by stretching. Okay, so we need to make sure our muscles are awake. We need to stretch them and get them ready for the exercises. Okay. So first thing I want you to do is reach up to the sky as high as you can go. As high as you can go. And on your tippy toes. As high as you can go on your tippy toes. And let's go down to your toes. Keep your legs straight. Keep your legs straight. Don't touch your toes. Keep your legs straight like coach. All the way to your toes. Hands on your toes. And let's go back up to the sky. As high as you can go. And on your tippy toes. On your tippy toes. And let's go back down. Keep your legs straight. Touch your toes for coach. There we go. Awesome stuff. Awesome. Now, I want you guys, you got to listen carefully, okay? So we're going to go like a zoop. And I want you now to take one arm and you're going to put it across your chest for coach. Across your chest. And we're going to give this arm a big hug. So we're going to grab it and give it a big hug. Okay, watch again. Arm across your chest. And big hug. Okay, let's go. So from there, cross. And give that a nice tight hug. Pull it nice and tight to your chest. Keep your arms straight. And let's open a zoop. Now we're going to go the other way. So the other arm across your chest. And give that one a hug. There we go. Keep this arm straight. There we go. There we go. Pull it nice and tight. Awesome. Awesome. Okay. And I want you guys now, we can open legs. Go. Zoop. There we go. Okay. What I want us to do now is lean back. As far as you can go, lean back. Don't fall over, but lean back. Lean back. And let's touch the middle. Go down, touch in between your feet. Touch the ground, touch the floor. And up. And now we're going to do a hula hoop. Okay, so we're going to pretend we have a hula hoop around us. And we are going to rotate in a circle. So we're going to put your hands on your hips. And we are going to go forwards and back. So we're just going to make a big circle like we're hula hooping with our hips. Okay, so let's go around in circles. Let's go. Push to the side. Push to the back. To the side. Forward. And to the side. And back. And keep rotating. Keep rotating, keep your legs straight. There we go. There we go. Awesome. Okay, now that we've stretched out a little bit, our muscles are more awake, we're going to warm up, okay? So we need to get our body warm. So I want us just to jog on the spot. Just nice and gently jog on the spot there for coach. Good job, boys and girls. It's a good start. That's a very good start. Let's go. Awesome. Keep jogging, keep jogging. Nice. And I want you guys to go feet together and open your feet just a little bit. Just a little bit. And let's go arms out, arms up. And we are going to rotate to one side. But look, coach's feet are facing forwards and he's going to one side and to the other one. And he's just rotating like a corkscrew. There we go. Side to side. Side to side. There we go. We can loosen up our back. Awesome. There we go. And I want you guys to jog back on the spot. Jog on the spot again. Jog on the spot. And I want to see how awake your mind is. So put your hands on your head. Put them on your shoulders. Put one finger on your nose. Put the other finger on your nose. Keep jogging. Don't stop jogging. Hands on your shoulders. And go across. Hands on your belly. Hands on your knees. Keep jogging. Keep jogging. Keep jogging with your hands on your knees. There we go. And hands on your shoulders. And crisscross. And hands on your elbows. And on your ears. And on your head. And your shoulders. And your tummy. And your knees. Oh, well done. You kept up nicely. Good job. Okay, now what we're going to do, instead of rotating the top of our body, we're going to rotate the bottom. So we're going to keep our front facing and we're going to turn our legs. And then we're going to turn them the other way. And the other way. But look, coach is still facing you the whole time. And his legs are going side to side. Just rotate your hips. You can swing your arms. It'll make it easier. There you go. side to side, side to side. Awesome, awesome. There we go. Go grab some water, boys and girls. Make sure you're going to have some water. Well done. It's now been 6 weeks since Coach last saw you. So I'd love to see you guys taking part. If you guys could send videos or photos to your teachers, and then they can send it on to me. I'd love to see how you guys are participating. Okay, what we're going to do now, we are going to pretend there's a rope above our head. So going from here all the way to you guys. We're going to hold our rope and we're going to move across it. So we're going to grab in front and to the back, and in front and to the back. And we're going to pretend we're climbing a rope. You're going to pretend you're climbing that rope. So grab and back and go. And let's go, keep climbing. Keep climbing. Remember, grab, pull, pull. Let's go. And a little bit faster. And a little bit faster. And keep going, keep going. Keep going. There we go. Well done, well done. Awesome. And shake your arms out for Coach. Shake them out. I want you guys to take your palms, take your hands, and put them together in front of your chest. Okay? And I want you to push your hands together as hard as you can. Push them together. Push, push, push. As hard as you can. Keep your hands by your chest. And push, push, push. Push, push, push. Can you see Coach's arms are straight across? And relax. There we go. And we're going to do another one. Make your arms straight. Make them straight. And we're going to clap above our heads. So go like a zoop. And keep your hands there. Okay? While our arms are straight, I want us to push our hands together like we were earlier. So push your hands together. Push them together. Push, push, push. Keep pushing, keep pushing. Keep pushing. And now you're going to keep your arms straight. And I want you to bring it down. Keep pushing. Bring it down. Bring it down. Keep pushing, keep pushing. And let's go back up above your head. Don't stop pushing the whole time. There we go. Awesome stuff, guys. Shake it out for Coach. Shake it out. Okay. Now, we're going to go onto the floor. And we're going to pretend we're a bear. Okay, so we're still doing our upper. We're going to go on our hands and our feet. And we're just going to crawl around. So just crawl around whatever space you're in. Crawl around on your hands and your feet. On your hands and your feet. Let's go. Like a bear. You can even growl. There we go. Around, around. Well done, guys. That's a good one. You guys are all awesome bears. Okay. Now, we need to be able to balance very nicely. So, what we're going to do is we're going to pick up our knee in the front this time. Okay, so normally we balance like a flamingo. But today, we're going to bring our knee up in front. And we're going to balance like that. So bring that knee up. Put those arms out. And let's balance. It's a bit more difficult. Let's balance. Keep that leg up. Awesome. And let's go over to the other side. Pick the other one up. And balance. Balance. There we go. Keep that one. Keep that knee up. Keep it up. And let's go over the other side again. Up and hold. There we go. We just need to practice and we'll get better. And let's go over to the other side. Up. And balance. Balance. There you go. Okay, watch Coach now. We are going to put our feet together, okay? And we are going to go onto our tippy toes and then down. And again onto your tippy toes and down. And tippy toes and down. And we're going to go a little bit faster. We're going to rock back and forth on your feet, up onto your tippy toes and back down. And up onto your tippy toes and down. And let's keep going. Keep going on your tippy toes, up, up, up. There we go. Well done, guys, well done. Try not to jump. Try to keep your toes on the floor the whole time. There you go. Awesome stuff. Okay, what we're going to do now, guys, we are going to do some squats, okay? So, the way we're going to do this, you're going to take your hands, put them on your shoulders like KFC chicken wings, and we're going to have straight legs next to you, so just a little bit bigger than your shoulders, okay? And what we're going to do, our feet are pointing forwards, okay? Now we're going to bend our knees to make them also point forwards. So you're going to go down, putting your knees forwards, okay, and up. And you're going to keep your back straight, okay? So, from here, again, let's go nice and slow. Arms on your shoulders, like chicken wings. Let's go feet forwards. And drop your bum down, 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 to where your knees are. And up. There you go. Remember to point your knees forwards. Let's go down, 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 and up. And watch from the side. Feet forwards, okay? And we're gonna go like this. We're gonna go down, 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 and up. And again, down, 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 and up. And let's go one more. Down, 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 and up. Awesome stuff, guys, awesome. That's really good. Go grab some water for coach. Go grab some water. Well done. Awesome stuff. Okay, I hope you guys got your water. Hope you're enjoying. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna sit on our bum. Okay, sit on your bum for coach. And we're gonna pick our knees up off the floor like this. So you're gonna pick your knees up. You're gonna lean back. Look, coach is leaning back, and his feet are in the air. And you're gonna put your hands next to you, so like this, in the sit-up position. Pick your feet up, and put your arms next to you. And we're just gonna flap up and down like this. So just go up, and just flap up and down. Just flap up and down. Keep those legs up, keep them bent. Keep your feet bent. There we go. Up and down, up and down. Awesome, awesome. And lie down for coach. There we go. Okay, I want you guys now to take your hands and you're gonna put them underneath your bum, okay? So that we don't hurt our back. And then I want you guys to make your legs straight, straight, straight. And point your toes, and we are going to kick like we're swimming. So just straight leg, pointed toes, and let's go up and down, up and down. So look from there, coach's hands are under his bum, and he's going up and down, up and down. There we go, there we go. Keep your back on the floor, and let's go, let's go. Keep kicking, keep kicking. Well done, well done. And sit up for coach. Sit up for coach. And I want you guys to make your legs straight. Okay? So if you remember from episode 9, we clapped under our leg. We went like this. Clap, up here, clap. Okay, what we're going to do now, more difficult. So I want us to go 2 claps. So 1, 2. And then up here we're going to do 1. And then we're going to go to the other leg. 1, 2, and 1. And 1, 2, and 1. And there you go, and let's go 2, 1 at the top, 2 under the one leg, 1 at the top, 2 under the other leg, and again, keep those legs, keep lifting them. Well done, well done. Awesome stuff, guys, that was awesome. Okay, what we're gonna do now is we're gonna stand up for coach and go grab some water. Go get your water. And then we're going to go on to another exercise. So just get your water, have a quick sip. Let's take a few deep breaths for coach. Let's go in and out. Another one in and out. Okay. The next thing we're going to do, guys, you're going to take your elbow on one arm and you're going to take your knee on the opposite leg. And we're going to bring them together. Can you see? Then we're going to go to the other one. This leg and opposite elbow. Knee to my elbow. Then the other one. Knee to my elbow. And a little bit faster. And can you see our coach's leg is going across his body to his elbow? Okay? Across his body. Let's go a little bit faster. Let's go a little bit faster. There we go. There we go. Awesome stuff, guys. Now, we're going to pretend we have a skipping rope. Okay? So we're going to take our skipping rope and we're just going to bounce up and down and we're going to skip for coach. So just bounce up and down on your toes. Just up and down. Pretend you're skipping. Pretend you're swinging your skipping rope. Pretend you're skipping. There you go. Jump on your toes. Up and down. Up and down. There we go. And relax. Now I want to see if you guys can skip normally. Okay? So if you don't know how to watch coach, what we're going to do is you're going to bring your knee up and then we're going to hop on this foot and down. The other knee up and hop and hop. Can we see? Let's go a little bit faster. Can you see? Up and hop, up and hop, and a little bit faster. There you go. If you guys can skip, let's go. Let's go. Keep going, keep going. Keep skipping for coach. Awesome. Here we go. And what I want you guys to do now is bounce up and down. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Bounce like a ball. Bounce like a ball. There we go. And put your hands up. Keep bouncing, keep bouncing. And let's go up high. And I want you guys hold your pizza box and drop your pizza. Oops, not good. What we're gonna do is we're gonna bring our knee up to our hands. We're gonna do high knees, okay? You guys know how to do high knees. You're gonna bring it all the way up to your hands. So look, coach's arm is bent, okay? He dropped his pizza and now he's bringing his knees up. And he's going a little bit faster and a little bit faster. And then he's going nice and fast. Nice and fast for coach. Awesome. And relax. There we go. Guys, open your legs, go zoop. And stretch up to the sky. Stretch up to the sky. And rotate your body. Turn to the side. Keep your legs facing forward. Turn to the side. And to the other side. And back to the middle. And lean back as far as you can go. Lean back. And with your legs straight for coach, okay? I want you guys to keep one straight. And we're going to bend one. Okay, so we're gonna keep one straight and bend one like this. So bend there, this leg needs to stay straight for coach. This one is bent, okay? And up. And let's go over to the other side. So bend this knee now. Keep this leg straight. Both feet facing forwards. And up. And again, go down. Keep that knee forward. And up. And one more. Down. And up. Awesome, guys. That was amazing. Thank you so much for joining Coach Erin for episode number 10. I'm very excited to see you guys soon. I hope I can come and coach you as soon as possible. Moms and dads, thank you so much for the support. I miss all of your champions a lot. Guys, please look after yourselves and remember to brush your teeth.